I'm gonna be freaking sweating by the end of this video because I decided to put a pullover on because I'm done. Does anybody else feel so like they're missing something when they don't have their claws? I feel so manly and just like I'm missing something in my life. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing my April hits and misses. I'm super excited to do this video because I haven't done one in a minute, and I've actually gathered up quite a few products that I've been loving for the month. It's not too many. I wanted to cut it down to a just very limited amount, but yeah. So without further ado, before we get too rambly, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with face products, and I tried out the Korean skincare routine regime, and I didn't keep up with it. There was supposed to be a video on it. I didn't keep up with it because I got a little lazy. So I actually kept a few products from that routine in my now daily routine, and one of them is the oil cleanser, and this is the Rice Water Bright from the Face Shop, and I got this off of Amazon. As you can see, I love this so much. I'm almost out, and I didn't realize I'm almost out until I started filming this video. So I actually need to restock up on this because this gets off my makeup like crazy. It just does a really awesome job of taking off my makeup. This is the first step to taking off your makeup and cleansing your face. So this is an oil-based cleanser. So, rub it on my face, wash it off, and then move on to the second step, which is my favorite cleanser at the moment, which is the Banana Cream Foam Cleanser from Tony Moly. I got this at Ulta. I'll link everything down below so you guys can get the products, check out the products for yourselves. But this is the Banana Cream Foam Cleanser from Tony Moly. It says Magic Food Banana. This is a Korean skincare product. There's not too much in English on this packaging, but I figured I'd give it a try because I really needed a cream cleanser, and I don't know if I had a cream cleanser before or if I just bought this one because I thought it smelled really good. But the reason why I loved it, I didn't love it at first just because it makes me cough a lot. I'm not sure why. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs. I'm so sorry. It doesn't smell bad. It actually smells really good. It smells like banana scented things. But when I'm applying it on my face, it makes, I don't know if I'm just like, I apply it wrong or something, but it makes me cough. Like it feels like it's clearing up my throat and just like, that sounds really bad. But what got me was I used this to clean my face when I did my NYX Face Awards entry, and I got nothing but black cream paint all over this, and it wouldn't come out with soap and water. It wouldn't come out with my face wash, the Purity one that I would use, and I would use this on this, and it completely cleaned it off. I do get a few breakouts here and there, but that just could be for my birth control. So because I haven't had a lot of breakouts until I started birth control again. So I mean, hormones, everything, craziness. Being a woman sucks, right? I would have to say this really does clean out my skin really well. My skin feels really nice afterwards, and I just need to, I think, double up. My friend was telling me that the birth control that she was using was causing her to break out like crazy too. Like, I'm getting little tiny breakouts I've gotten in high school, so I'm assuming it's hormones because I haven't really had them since high school until I got on birth control. So I'm thinking it's a lot of the hormones. She was saying that she just doubled up on her skin routine because I usually only do my skincare routine once a day, which is really bad, but I need to start doing it twice a day. So I'm gonna try and do that and see if my skin can really clear up. The next part of the skincare routine that I'm absolutely loving is my night cream, which I do not know what this is called. I don't know the brand just because there's nothing. Wait. It's in, yeah, no, I can't understand that. So, I will have this link down below. I got this off Amazon, but it's a lemon night. You can't even see that. That's so bright. Oh my god. Aside from that, it really just nourishes my skin and leaves my skin feeling very like baby smooth and just really hydrated. So when I wake up in the morning, my skin's really soft and supple. I absolutely love it. I'm closing this before I make an even bigger mess. The last part of my skincare routine that I've been loving is my Clarisonic. This is my ride or die. I was afraid that I was going to have to buy another one because I was using this. I was charging it and it was getting fully charged, or so I thought. And I would use it. And normally you can do about like maybe 10 or 12 uses before you have to go and recharge it again. And I was getting only like 2 uses out of it. And it would start to like beep like, no, it needs charging. And I'm like, Okay. So I decided to leave it like a full day. I know it's really bad. I decided to leave it for a full day of charging and came back and unplugged it, used it, and I haven't had to charge it since. So I think I was just not letting it charge long enough. I'm not going to leave it for a full day next time, but at least like a good couple more hours than what I had it. Really, it's a lot better than using your hands for your skincare routine, because this really just gets deep in there, massages everything out of your pores, and it's just really amazing. I have a brush head replacement from Amazon that I bought for like $10 because I believe the replacements are a good $30 to $60, and I'm not about that life. And yes, I have lost the charger and I had to replace it for $60 or something. And I found the charger in my grandma's closet several months later after replacing it. So don't lose the charger. This is expensive, but it is like the best investment I have ever put into my skincare routine. I've told my family like this, yes, it's expensive. I paid a lot of money for it. I paid like $175 for it. And I got it on sale. I got it for like their birthday edition several years ago. And it's lasted me this long. I've had it for at least 4 years. And it's just going strong. I really want to get another one. This is the Clarisonic Mia 2. If you guys have the money to splurge on it, get it. Or even something like this. I know there's cheaper versions of this, but this is just something that I have bought and have never regretted a single penny. Like, you know, like when you buy something and afterwards you're kind of like, I shouldn't have bought that. Like, to this day, I'll buy something and I'll still feel good for a couple months, and then I'll look at it and I'll be like, I should not have bought that. I've had this for 4 years and I'm like, I'm so glad I bought this because it clears up my skin so well. It just does so much for my skin. Moving on to face stuff. I don't have too much, so this video shouldn't be too long. The next face product I've been loving is my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. I have recently bought this a couple days ago. Absolutely love it. This looks so much lighter on camera. I don't know why, but this is so beautiful on my skin. I actually have it on right now. It just warms up the skin so beautifully, and you'll see it in the next couple tutorials I've put out. I put out one on Friday, and I believe I'll put one out this coming Friday again. So you guys will see how it works. It just warms up my skin so nicely because I've been looking for a bronzer for my skin tone to warm up my skin really well, and I can't really go off of what other beauty gurus say because either it's way too dark or it's way too light, and it's just not for my skin tone. So I'm super glad to have found that, and I'm just gonna start looking for more bronzers in this tone range. For highlighter, I have my Wet n Wild Gold Flower Crown highlighter in the shade Gold Flower Crown, and I don't know what's going on with my lighting. I can't fix my camera right now, but this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. I have it on my, oh, you can't even see that, but it's blinding. I have it on my skin right now. It is what is my glow today. And again, I've only had this for a couple days. We're still in April when I'm filming this. It's like April 25th. I still got like 5 days till May, and my birthday's in May, so I'm super excited. I've been really loving this for the month of April, even though it's the end of the month. I absolutely love this. Don't sleep on it. I might go purchase a few more just because I feel like I'm going to use this up really quickly. The next favorite that I have for the month is my Anastasia Soft Glam Palette, and I have tried to not get this thing dirty, but no matter what, I can't. But this is the new Soft Glam Palette. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I've already dug in quite a few shades. That black is just, the very first time I applied it, I was like, okay, let's see if this is anything like my Makeup Geek Corrupt. And it's way better. It packs on a punch. It's really dark. I've actually used this quite a bit, so I absolutely love this palette for an everyday use. I'm actually wearing it right now in my eyes. This is part of the look, but it's just amazing. These colors are very blendable and very pigmented. Like, that's just beautiful. I have not used that yet. Wow. Okay, cool. And this shade was one of my favorites. I totally messed that up though because my hand already had a swatch on it. But this is, oh my gosh. Like, don't sleep on this. This is a good everyday palette. This is a good, what's the word? Staple. To finish off the eyes, I have been loving two mascaras. And these two are from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I used to use this but the regular version in high school, the gray one. And I was going to buy my third bottle of this one. And I was just like, I want to get a second mascara to layer on with this one so that I can like get those long, wispy, like spidery lashes like I Love Sarai did the Bad Girl Bang mascara. And I was like, let me see if I can dupe something out, you know, because I love the drugstore mascaras. I really want to get the Bad Girl Bang, but at the moment I couldn't afford it. I know this is like almost equivalent. It's still a lot cheaper, I think, from the Bad Girl Bang, but I was just like, let me find something to layer on. I'm like, oh yeah, I love this in high school. It gave my lashes a really great like volumizing, lengtheningness. Those aren't words, but yes. And obviously I had this in one of my other favorites. Absolutely love it. It really makes my lashes just pop out, like it gives me a lot of volume, and this gives me length, so both of them together is just like a staple. If I'm not wearing lashes, I'm wearing these two on my eyes. If I'm wearing lashes, I'm wearing this one on the top lashes and these two on the bottom lashes. So these two are just ride or dies. They're always going to be in my collection. I've already gone on my third bottle, and yeah. Last but not least, for my favorites, I have a body favorite, and that I've been raving about these past couple weeks is my Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion. This gives me the glow to the gods for my body. It just makes me look healthy. It makes me feel healthy when I apply this on. It makes me feel really nice and just healthy. I feel really just glowy and beautiful, and just like I am a Victoria's Secret model, even though I'm not. I bought this because of Karen, aka I Love Sarai, and Desi Perkins. I absolutely love both of them, and their glow is always on point. And they were talking about this, so I was just like, you know what? Let me buy it, and I am not looking back. I'm super happy. I need to take this home with me because it's here in my studio, and I need to take it home with me. So yeah, this, don't sleep on it. It's gonna make you look beautiful. If you guys seen my Body Lava dupe DIY, then you'll see how amazing this makes my skin look. So go get you some of this. As for misses, I only have one miss, and that is from surprisingly Wet n Wild, because I use a lot of Wet n Wild, but it is the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Metallic lipstick. And let me just show you why. I have a lot of swatches on, but let me just show you why. This is supposed to be like, it looks very pretty in the bottle. It looks like it's supposed to be very metallic, and then I apply it on my lips and I get this sheen, and I'm like, it's very sheer and sheen, and it's just not what I had expected for a metallic lipstick, not a gloss even. It's a lipstick, so it just, I don't know if it's the formula. I don't know if it's just this one. I was gonna get the darker one, and then I got this one, so I might give the other ones a shot, but I just don't, I'm not in love with it. I'm not feeling it, so I would give this a hard pass. So that is all for my hits and misses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a like if you did, and also comment down below on what your favorite for April is, because I would like to try out some new products for May, especially because my birthday is coming up, and I would love me some new products for the month of May, because you know I gotta just spoil myself. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the family of queens and kings, and also hit that notification bell to know when a new video goes out. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.